Hello, welcome back to the Symfony API platform tutorial. In this lecture, we will cover how we can set up an entity as an API resource. Let us go back to our initial Symfony console application. As you can see, in this skeleton application, we don't have any entities defined so far. Let us start by creating one entity called calendar event. Let us set this entity under the entity namespace. And when you go back to our PHP server, local server, and refresh our API, we don't see any specific changes here, or we don't find our entity yet. Let us expose this as an API endpoint by adding the @API Resource Annotation. You can see this API resource is being loaded from the API platform core package, which is under the vendor folder. So now we have annotated this calendar entity as an API resource. When we check back to our API endpoint and refresh this, we will see a set of routes: get, post, delete, put, patch. So from this, it's clear that we have some collection operations called get and some item operations. So basically we have two different type of operations in API platform. This collection operation can be called as a listing API endpoint or resource, which is basically a collection of data records from this event calendar or this calendar events objects, basically a set of list of events. And this post is also a collection operation which accepts a payload of events that needs to be persisted to a database. And we can have the detail view using the item operation using the ID, and similarly we have this item operation to delete a specific event and another endpoint to update this specific event. So now I can show you how I can disable some operations. Let us say I don't want this patch, put, or delete, or a post. I just need a listing endpoint and I just need a detail endpoint. Let me show you. So from the API resource annotation, I can add two operations. One is collection operation. In this I explicitly say it is only allowing get, it is only exposing the get method, and for item operation I am saying it is just exposing only the get or the detail view. Once we go back to our browser and refresh this API, you will see only two API endpoints. That is, one is the collection endpoint and the other one is the detail endpoint. So by explicitly specifying the operation on each type, we can disable or enable operations on top of this API platform. So in the next lecture, I can show you how this API platform can be connected to a backend DB to store, manage events. Thank you.